Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 2nd of April 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So firstly, just want to take this opportunity to wish you all a happy Easter, and what a week it has been. So for those of you that watched Gold Asset of the Day, you remember we talked you through in detail that the dip at the beginning of the week, the end of quarter rebalancing of portfolios, was a massive opportunity and a gift for you to establish positions at lower prices on gold from 1680 to 1700, pick up further positions on silver and also platinum and copper. They have all been boosted massively off the back of Wednesday's infrastructure plans from Joe Biden. And we've also seen on Thursday another big surge higher on the metals with the start of a new quarter going into Q2. First day of April, we've seen significant gains not only on the metals, but also on the energies, which has enabled us today to close the week very strong here, banking 1,200 points over 3 positions into the close on Thursday. For every one lot that you would trade, that's $12,000 of profit. For every 10 lots that you would trade, that's $120,000 of profit. Big move here on metals and energies. Certainly our members at the Gold and Silver Club have been able to capitalize on these moves. So again, the playbook here for this week was to expect that beginning of the week, end of quarter profit taking, rebalancing of portfolios. We had contract settlement on Monday as well. We had the pressure to the downside on commodities, and the dollar broke out to 5-month highs. On Wednesday, we had details regarding the infrastructure plans in the USA, and this has helped massively to provide additional support to the metals, particularly industrial metals such as platinum, palladium, copper and silver, which have all closed strong on Thursday. And we've also seen energies catch a bid today, 3.5% move to the upside off the back of the OPEC meeting, which has enabled us to again bank over 1,200 points profit. So it's really been an excellent week. I hope many of you have capitalized on that. And again, this really drills it home where technical traders utilizing their outdated technical analysis and their gimmicky indicators, they keep panic selling at the lows when in fact, when the sentiment gets that fearful, it's often a great opportunity to buy in, especially if you marry that up with specific news items which will be catalysts for the precious metals and the energies. And you also marry that up with your understanding of capital flows, such as end of quarter, profit taking, contract settlement, new capital coming in to the market, and a new quarter, which is looking really good here now as we go into the Easter weekend. So again, this is where technical traders in particular will end up just FOMOing in once metals and energies break out. When we're taking profit off the table, this is when they're getting their confirmation to finally buy. What happens? They'll get a bull trap and they'll just get taken out again by buying at the high. So you know how it goes. Great example this week of the typical sentiment in the market and how many traders have just panic sold again out of probably very good trades if they just stuck with it. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, where you want to be utilizing your understanding of sentiment, so really fear and greed in the market. That will help you a lot to know when to bank profits and when to look for opportunities to buy in. Marry that up to with seasonal plays in the market, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles, especially for commodities and the major news items, which will be catalysts for big moves. Alongside that, understand the intermarket correlations, the ratios, macroeconomics, and also what the hedge funds, money managers, the banks, and institutions are doing in this market. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to make an application to learn the research-driven approach to the market, join our community of successful traders and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just clicking the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.